Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Olympiad problem solving series. Today we are going to solve a very interesting algebraic problem. Now see, there are two digits that we have to multiply, okay, but without calculator. So we cannot use calculator. Now if you observe the number very carefully, they are 9-digit number, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, this is also 9-digit number. So practically, if we want to multiply these two numbers, no, it's very complicated. Okay, and very time consuming, but we can do it very easily. You see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Now see this particular number, no, all 9. So can we write like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1. So see, from this particular number, no, if we subtract 1, exactly this one will get. So in place of 99999, this all 9-digit numbers, so we can write this minus what? 1. So this is equals to, now what to do? We will multiply this term with this term. So what we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. And after that 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Then after that we have to multiply this term with 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then what? 9. Now it's a simple problem of what? Subtraction. So this one we can easily subtract, okay? And we don't need calculator also. So what we'll get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it's 0 minus 1 is how much? Okay. It will be 8. And then again it will be like this: 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then what? 1. So kindly you subtract these two by yourself. Exactly this number will get. Okay. But if you want to do it by multiplication process, no, so it will be very huge calculation. But if we do it like this, then it's very simple. Thank you for watching.